Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a complete demo of Salesforce CRM and explain what Salesforce really is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're completely new to CRM systems or just curious about Salesforce, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it does and how it's used in real-world business environments. Let's start with the basics. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform, commonly known as CRM. It helps businesses manage their customer data, sales pipeline, support cases, marketing campaigns, and much more, all in one central location. Instead of keeping customer information scattered across spreadsheets, emails, and sticky notes, Salesforce brings everything together into a unified dashboard that's accessible anytime from anywhere. Now let's jump into the Salesforce dashboard. When you first log in, you land on the home screen, which gives you an overview of your daily tasks, recent activity, performance charts, and key metrics. This page is completely customizable depending on your role. For example, a sales rep might see their open deals and sales targets, while a support agent might see pending tickets and response times. On the left-hand side, you have your navigation bar. Here you can access your key modules like leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, and more. Let's start with leads. Leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your product or service. When you click into the Leads section, you'll see a list view with details like the lead's name, company, contact information, lead source, and status. You can filter, sort, and search this list easily. Clicking on any lead brings you to a detailed record page. Here you can track interactions, add notes, schedule follow-ups, and even send emails directly from within Salesforce. You can also change the status of the lead as it progresses through your sales funnel. For example, from new to contacted, then to qualified, and eventually converted into an opportunity. Speaking of opportunities, let's move over to the Opportunities section. This is where real deals live. Opportunities are potential sales that are actively being worked on. Each opportunity record includes important information like deal value, close date, sales stage, related contacts, and activity history. One of the most useful features here is the Kanban view, where you can visually drag and drop deals through different sales stages, like prospecting, proposal, negotiation, and closed won. Next, let's take a look at accounts and contacts. Accounts represent companies or organizations that you're doing business with, and contacts are the individuals within those accounts. This structure helps you organize and understand your customer relationships at both the company and individual level. Within an account, you can view all related opportunities, contacts, activities, and even cases or support issues, giving you a 360-degree view of the customer. Now, let's explore how Salesforce supports customer service. In the Cases module, support teams can log and manage customer service requests. Each case includes details like issue type, priority, status, and communication history. Cases can be automatically routed to the right agents using Salesforce's automation tools, ensuring faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Salesforce also has a powerful automation engine called Flow and a built-in AI called Einstein. Flow allows you to automate repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, assigning leads, or updating records when certain conditions are met. Einstein, on the other hand, analyzes your data and gives intelligent recommendations, like which leads are most likely to convert or which deals are at risk. Reporting is another core strength of Salesforce. You can create custom reports and dashboards to track performance metrics in real time. For example, you can see how many deals were closed this month, how much revenue was generated, which campaigns brought in the most leads, or how quickly support cases are being resolved. These insights help teams stay aligned and make data-driven decisions. Now, let's briefly look at customization. One of the biggest advantages of Salesforce is how customizable it is. You can add new fields, create custom objects, change page layouts, build workflows, and even create entire apps, all without writing any code. This means Salesforce can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your business, whether you're in healthcare, real estate, finance, or e-commerce. For businesses that want to take things even further, Salesforce has an app marketplace called App Exchange. Here you can find thousands of pre-built apps and integrations, from MailChimp and email marketing tools to accounting software like QuickBooks, all designed to work seamlessly with your Salesforce system. Lastly, since Salesforce is cloud-based, it's accessible from any device, desktop, tablet, or mobile. There's even a dedicated mobile app so sales reps and service agents can stay productive on the go. Everything syncs in real time, so your team is always up to date. So to sum it up, Salesforce CRM is more than just a place to store customer information. It's a full-featured platform that helps teams sell smarter, support customers better, and grow their business with data-driven tools and automation. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, Salesforce has the flexibility and scalability to support your growth. I hope this video helped you understand what Salesforce is and how it works. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more videos.